Welcome friends. Bhishmakund Narkari is another place that bears a connection with the great epic Mahabharata. This is the place where it is believed that Pitamaha Bhishma lay watching a famous battle after Arjun created a bed of arrows for him. The place now has a temple next to a water tank called the Ban Ganga or the Bhishma Kund. Bhishma was a war veteran and the grandsire of Kauravas and Pandavas. Being the son of goddess Ganga and student of legendary teachers, he was too powerful to be defeated by any warrior of his time. Due to some political reasons, he unwillingly had to fight the war of Mahabharata from the side of Kauravas. But he vowed not to kill any Pandavas. The reason behind his vow was his affection for Pandavas. Moreover, the world knew that Kauravas have been doing injustice with Pandavas for years. During the war, Kauravas often confronted him to break his vow. To liberate himself, he secretly hinted Pandavas on how to kill him. With this help, Arjuna killed him by shooting with countless arrows that penetrated through his whole body and made him lie down on a bed of arrows afterwards. Wounded Bhishma fell thirsty on the battlefield. To satiate his thirst, Arjuna shot down an arrow in the earth, which resulted in a jet stream of water that rose up and went straight into his mouth. Water stream was no one else but Mother Ganga, who came to quench the thirst of her son. Since Bhishma had the boon of Ichamrityu, he chose to die when the sun moved into the northern hemisphere. In the meantime, he gathered all his family and disciples around him and preached them about life and how to rule a kingdom. This origin of water stream was converted into a pond now as Bhishma Kund. A temple was constructed in the premises known as Bhishma Narkari Temple. Thank you friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.